Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 3, 2024, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 3, 2024, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 3, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot prize of Mega Lotto 645 is 100 million pesos, and tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 582 million pesos for Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of January 3, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.